Hey guys, my name is Kenji. In this episode, Emily's gonna tell you exactly why playing a lot of video games is not good. Let's get straight into it.
Hey guys, my name's Emily. Did you know playing a lot of video games is not good? Because if you're always playing games, you might miss out on playing outside or spending time with family and friends. Sitting for too long can make your body tired and weak. You need to move around to stay strong and healthy.
Well, there you have it, folks. Emily just told you exactly why playing a lot of video games is not good. Anyways, I'm gonna head out now. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, smash that like button, and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
You might get out